Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my ultimate Flaxseed Gel pre-poo wash day routine. This routine is perfect for keeping your hair hydrated, detangled and ready for a fabulous wash day. Let's get started. So get into the Flaxseed Gel making and the ingredients in them. First, let's talk about the star of today's routine, that is Flaxseed Gel. Flaxseed Gel are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin E and other ingredients that promote hair growth, reduce breakage and adds shine to your hair. To make the gel, I'll need 4 cups of water, 8 tablespoons of flaxseed gel and 1 tablespoon of rosemary. Yeah, that's how I make my flaxseed gel. So to start with, I'll just put the 4 cups of water in a saucepan and I'll put it to a boil. So while the water is boiling, I add my flaxseed gel and the rosemary to it. I'll continually stir till the gel comes out and thickens, and then I'll leave it. I usually squeeze it out. When you leave it like that, it's going to thicken up and then straining will be difficult. So you have to strain it immediately, making sure that you don't hurt yourself because it's going to really be hot. Yeah, so you strain it immediately. If you leave it to cool, my dear, it's going to be hard, but any way you want, all we need is your gel is out. So the flaxseed gel has been strained, cooled, and then right now we are ready in the shower. So let's go through it. So before applying the flaxseed gel, you make sure that your hair is detangled and lightly oiled. Yeah, so my hair was full of oil. You know, my weekly 9-time routine, I make sure I use some oils in my hair. So my hair was already oily or with some oil, so I just combed it out before getting into the shower. So this helps to prevent breakage and make the application really smoother. Yeah, so with the oils, I would recommend that you use lightweight oils as well. So this is how I do apply my flaxseed gel. I make sure that I apply little water to the hair before I go in with the flaxseed gel. It makes it so easy to apply. So we are just detangling with it. So this is actually how I do pre-poo my hair and wash my hair. It makes it so easy. You see how I go through my hair with a comb, with no friction, with no stress. It's so easy. So if you do it the right way, you're not going to lose a lot of hair. At least a little will come out. My hair was 5 months old. My new growths were really popping. This is really an old video. Yeah, so my new growth, it's 5 months, and so I needed to be really and extra careful and gentle with the hair. So that's why I'm super gentle and slow here. But that's just how I do my pre-poo. And I use my pre-poos most especially when I'm stretching my relaxer, because the new growth, it's puffy and heavy, so you need something to make it more softer, and flaxseed gel got me on that. So if you're stretching your relaxer, if you're thinking of doing that, make sure you make pre-pooing with flaxseed gel your number one. Yeah. So as we keep detangling and go through my wash day as I do always, we're going to talk about why it's important to use flaxseed gel on your hair. What does flaxseed gel itself does for the hair? So flaxseed gel helps with growth of your hair, moisturizing your hair, and then it treats some scalp conditions as well. Yes, so why would I say that flaxseed gel helps to grow your hair? It helps towards strengthening the hair follicles and the hair shafts as well. Yeah, while the hair is growing, it strengthens it and then makes you or helps you to be able to retain length. So it's very good to use flaxseed gel on your hair. It also helps to define your curls, especially with my natural girlies. It defines your curls, so it's good to use it on your hair. And then it strengthens your hair. As I said already, flaxseed gel contains omega-3, vitamin E, some proteins, so it helps to strengthen the hair in general. And it also helps to detangle the hair. It helps with easy detangling process. Yeah, and then it also helps to treat scalp conditions as well. So generally, flaxseed gel is the best. So these are the little stuff or little knowledge I have about flaxseed gel, and I've been using flaxseed gel a long time. I really cannot tell, but I've been using it and it's the best. Even when I didn't take my hair serious, or I was not taking my hair serious, I saw some hair enthusiasts using them more often, but I really didn't know how important or how it's really going to have a good effect on my hair until I tried it, and I've really not backed out of it. I always use it in my wash day. Yes. Yeah, probably I've not been showing some of them. I wash my hair every week, and I don't show my weekly wash days. I show them once in a while. Yeah, so I use them sometimes, and I do hot oil treatment sometimes, but it's not all the time that I get to shoot wash day videos. So of course it's so hard to shoot wash day videos, so but we are trying for you guys. Okay, so at this point, if you've not subscribed to the channel, please make it a point to hit on the subscribe button and turn on the post notification. Don't forget that. It's very, very important to turn it on so that you're going to get notified whenever I post any video at all. Yeah, so this is me detangling my hair, and then it's just easy. Okay, I didn't lose a lot of hair. I don't know if I showed the amount. Yeah, this is the amount of hair I lost. This is 5 months new growth, guy. 5 months new growth, and I lost that amount of hair. Those are shedded hair, so that's normal, but that is not too much to cry about, or it's not so alarming, let me say. So we are done, and then we are going to wash our hair, shampoo, but you first rinse out the prepoo. Yeah, so I was really giving myself a scalp massage. As I always say, if you listen to my voiceovers and you just don't open my video, you just don't open the videos for the views to be counted, and then you really listen deep to my voiceovers, you know that scalp massaging is one thing I always tell you guys to make it part of your regimen. Yeah, so I give my scalp a very deep massage, and then I'm now washing the prepoo of my hair. Then I'll shampoo. Yeah, so I'm shampooing right now. Yeah, so we shampoo, and then we will condition, and I go through my wash day and style and all that. So let's just enjoy the video. From the view of my hair, you can see that the hair is moisturized. Yeah, so I'll just squeeze out the excess water, and then I'll use I don't have a microfiber towel, but I use my t-shirt, and that's okay for me for now. So we're gonna style the hair from here. Yeah, so at this point I had air dried my hair. Most of the time I'm at the shop because my fan is right there, and I do air dry my hair. I've been air drying my hair almost the whole of 2024. Most of the blow dries I do are on low heat, so you can tell that I use less heat on my hair. Yeah, so this is how the wash day went. Let me know in the comment section if you use flaxseed gel on your hair. Until then, see you in my next video. Bye.